2025 official Buriram MotoGP Test Day 1. The final 2025 MotoGP preseason test began on Wednesday morning at Buriram in Thailand. Gresini Marc Marquez put the Ducati GP24 on the top last week at Sepang, and having also been fastest at November's Barcelona test, has the chance to complete a winter clean sweep. Meanwhile, the factory Ducati team of brother Marc Marquez and Francisco Bagnaia have some big decisions to make over engine choice for the new GP25, with the engine of all European bikes frozen from round now until the end of 2026. Fabio Quartararo and Yamaha stepped up to occupy best of the race behind Ducati at Sepang, but having benefited from extra track time at the shakedown. Can they keep pace? Honda is the only manufacturer with a prior 2025 MotoGP laps of the Chang's International Circuit. Coaches of the private test in January with Alex Spargaro and Takaki Nakagami. Absent this week will be Aprilia New Cycling and reigning MotoGP champion Jorge Martin and VR46 Fabio Di Giannino, who were both injured at Sepang. Raul Fernandez, also injured on the first day in Malaysia, will try to ride in Buriram. At the end of the opening hour, and the top 5 riders from each manufacturer, Marc Marquez Ducati in first position, Marco Bezzecchi Aprilia in second, Alex Marquez Ducati in third, Franco Morbidelli Ducati in fourth, and Johan Zarco Honda in fifth position. Luca Marini, Pedro Acosta, Pecco Bagnaia, Brad Binder, Fabio Quartararo complete in top 10.